video. We're currently on our way to Eurocharged Boston. I had a Eurocharged tune on my C43 and it was just amazing. And now that I have my GTS, we are going back to Eurocharged and we're gonna be adding a little juice to the GTS today. So yeah, there's some construction, there's some road work. I kinda don't wanna keep filming. So yeah, see you guys soon. Now that we're finally out of that pesky traffic and construction, there's so much construction nowadays, but we're almost there, about 5 minutes away. So we are going stage 1 today, and with just a stage 1 tune, we're gonna be hitting 625 horsepower and almost 900 Newton meters of torque. That sounds a little bit scary, not gonna lie, because this car is rear wheel drive, and I don't know if it's gonna be able to put the power down that well, but we'll find out. All right, so we are here at Eurocharged Boston. So the tune file is ready. I'm currently sweating like a pig inside my car right now because it is like 100 degrees. But anyway, the tune file is on the handheld. And if you guys don't know what the handheld is, it pretty much allows you to revert back to stock and add the tune file whenever you want to. And now it's programming.
Were you videoing?
Yep.
Did I ruin it? Hi!
No. If you guys don't know, this is Bejas. He owns the Boston branch. So now this bar has to go all the way to the end. It's pretty normal if you see a Christmas tree on your dash. That's normal, don't get freaked out. And I'm currently sweating like a pig, so I'm just gonna step out, get some fresh air, and then I'll be back. Those are the magic words we would love to see. Is this wood?
No, it's sealed.
It looks like wood first. It looks like wood, doesn't it? We just finished up at Eurocharged. The car is tuned. I'm wicked excited. The only thing they told me to do was just to drive the car a little bit so that way it can adapt. And I guess today was just basically an update video. A lot of people were asking me if I'm getting the car tuned, and here it is. Car is officially tuned. We have the handheld over there. There's going to be a lot of traffic on the way home. It's already 5:50 p.m. So because of the traffic going on the highway and stuff, I probably will not be able to do a first impressions video of the car with the tune. But I will definitely make that as soon as possible. And that clip that you guys saw from earlier when we were actually under the car, we were trying to drop the muffler so that way we can just like rev it a little bit so that way I can hear what the car will kind of sound like with a catback exhaust system. But we learned the hard way that that exhaust is just absolutely massive, and it's going to be a lot of work just to get the muffler off because the tube connected to the muffler, like that one whole piece, is like basically half the exhaust. So we'll save that for another video. I'm pretty happy we tuned the car today, but that's it. Just quick update video. See you guys in the next video. Peace.
Corazon. Gun finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go. It's only up from